along with 7 feet Atal Vajpayee statues with Kargil War, along with 7 feet statue with the children, and there are many to beautify the Atal Park near Uttamnagar. And that was ordered by the government of Delhi. So still I'm voting. My age is 83, but I don't believe. And I also congratulate all the talented young generation I have seen. They are very good. Experimental painting is there, but don't forget that we have got a high rich tradition. Don't forget that. We have the tradition. We just take some ideas from our own, and that will be given the highest appreciation in the world. And I love my own, as I had said, that I love my own country, own culture, own language, everything here. All are same. With the Indians, wherever we go, we have got we have got a talent, brain, and everything is there in the world according to our imagination. That's true. That's true. So, you feel proud, if you should feel proud that Hamara Bharat Mahan.
Thank you, Dr. Sir. It's a pleasure to have everybody here, friends, relatives, and thanks to Dr. Das Sahab. I think he's 38, he's confused about his age. He's only 38. That's why he can make such tall statues. So we are very thankful to him and everybody else. And this is an endeavor I have started, Main Ideas Charities, to help the underprivileged, the handicapped, mentally retarded people so that they can live a life which is decent life, and also to help some artists, upcoming artists, especially the artists who are coming out of, young artists who are coming out of schools, so that we can help them. So I have started a studio and hopefully start a factory slowly, where they can come, paint, create their ideas. But ultimately, like he said, we have certain objectives. I want to get more towards nature and to archaeological, whatever our heritage was, convert that into art slowly, so that that remains. See, modern art today, everybody is doing a lot of new art and modern art, and also all kind of works. But I think our heritage remains to be made. So we have lovely archaeological places, like he said, Ellora, and all these temples. They need to be painted in a very good form. So let's see how we can do it, and also stick to nature. So I'm very thankful to Mr. Khanna, Ajay Khanna ji, who's been a source of biggest inspiration for me, and also very helpful. Also all our friends whose cooperation, without them I can't do anything in future also. So I need all of you, be with me, because it's for a charitable cause totally, not for personal or anything. So let's hope for the best, and thank you very much for being here. Also, lastly, I'm very thankful to my wife for having the patience to be with me. When I paint, she is always calling, did you have lunch or no? So I don't know what to say, because either I handle the brush or I handle her. Sometimes I get confused. So anyway, and luckily our kids at the home also are getting very big inspiration. Nikita she didn't say anything about herself. She's a big art professional enthusiast. She's but we are small, she's into big game of 10 crores and 5 crores. I don't know what all. So I'm looking at her always when we get a chance to come to that stage. But also she's been very helpful. And also my other Akansha, like all others, they've been very helpful. And as a result, this is my first show. Hopefully we'll carry on and do something good. Let's hope for the best. Thank you.
I will definitely congratulate for such a noble thoughts and ideas to promote art and artists. That is something great. That is something really great. Because unfortunately, The visual art hasn't any direct communication, direct any publicity or campaign. Not like cricket player, not like the film star. And one film is successful, then he will be the hero. But we have many great artists. You don't know even the celebrated artists are here in the country. There is no campaign. So I request all you gentlemen to promote, encourage, comfort the younger generation of the artists. Thank you very much.
We have amongst us, I call her my guru, Sarita Chaudhary.
Indira Gandhi Center for Art. The very good sculpture has been displayed at Indira Gandhi Center for Art.
And this is also जो specially dad ने आपके लिए करी है. Yes. And Vimal sir, it's a great pleasure. I've seen you at the National Museum growing up as a kid. It's such a great pleasure.
Thank you, dear.
इनका प्लान तब होगा जब हमारे हाथ के पकौड़े खाएंगे.
Sorry?
I present one, you were no present.
That grows in you, that grows in you. When medical college में होते थे, हमारे प्राचीन dancing, and मैं यहाँ पर सुनी हूँ. छोटी sister जो है ना, she's very good painter. Art को
I like this one though. This one.
मतलब बीपी भी डाउन हो गया, शुगर भी डाउन हो गया, पैसा टेंशन में नहीं है भाई, दवाई के बगैर का दे दी। इंसुलिन के ना बढ़ इंसुलिन गड़बड़ हो गया, इंसुलिन गैस बंद नहीं हो रहा बॉडी में, कभी ज़्यादा हो रहा है कभी घट हो रहा है, समझे कि नहीं?
बात ये है कि पिक्चर कभी भी पेंटिंग नहीं आती है, लेकिन आप अगर उसको लाइव देखते हो तो अमेजिंग, लाइक ऑयल पेंटिंग में कभी कलर एग्जैक्ट नहीं आता।
He was a childhood friend of mine. Sunil Bhatia is a CA. Sunil Bhatia is a CA. Yes.
Now they're going. And if they come for a very short while.
I gone to Alaska.
अच्छी जगह है।
हाँ बोला आपको जब करना है करो इसीलिए
Human beings are forgetting that they have a choice.
couple of times. You know, it had that slope. Slope में देखिए आपके घर का slope है. बच्चे को प्रतिभा कैसे निकल गया है
आपने लिए लगाओ
Clap. Just the opposite. So naughty in the class. Very nice. She got.
अरे आए हुए मेरा ध्यान रखो भाई
पार्टी के फ्रेंड्स के साथ.
हाँ अच्छा किया नहीं बस बता रहे थे
नहीं कह रहे थे.
नहीं मेरे को तो बता रहा है
अब तो नाना लेवल पे आ गए. आपको तो वैसे
ये हैंडीकैप से बनाई है ये देखो ये हमारे संधि साहब हाँ हैंडीकैप
आए थे बच्चे उन्हीं की पेंटिंग है
थोड़ी देर चले गए कंफर्टेबल नहीं है
मेन फोकस इसी पे रहेगा.
आइए
वो हो सकता है 100 अडॉप्ट कर लें 50 कर लें आप ये नोएडा में से
एक ब्लाइंड स्कूल भी चलाती है
ये मिसेस भार्गव
वो बताइए आप ये हमारी
साइंस
संधि
को चला रही है.
आकांक्षा ये बिटिया आकांक्षा
और उनमें 300 लड़के निकल चुके थे. पूरी बोर्डिंग लॉजिंग सारी फैसिलिटी को दे के और सब 60-70 गाड़ी में ये सारी ये है. अभी ये आज ये लड़का तो रिटायर खड़ा भी नहीं हो पड़ा तो और उसके पेरेंट्स आए तो बता रहे एक बार बना देना उसके बाद उसकी याद नहीं होता वो छोड़.
एक आर्टिस्ट तो ऐसा उसका भाग नहीं है पैर से
मेरा ये वो उसकी पेंटिंग क्या आप पैर से बनाते हैं कोई मुँह से बनाते हैं.
जो भी कलेक्शन होगा सब चैरिटी में जाएगा
ये आर्टिस्ट लोगों का थोड़ा बहुत और इसमें भी ये आर्टिस्ट
आप 10 साल को भी इंट्रोड्यूस कराइए बदम से ही है डॉक्टर अच्छी बताया 12 बताया ये उनकी फीसेस से बनाया आप एक्सप्लेन करिए कैसे बनाया शीज द आर्टिस्ट
This is the Lakshmi Baba.
first place to tell
Then I single Then I paste it. Then I paste it. This is the Lakshmi Baba. हाँ, ideas, images, and doing the all in the final process.
इमेज बनाया उसको
हाँ,
सेम
image and ये blocks को नीचे ही colours लगेंगे, वही आपको ornament देखेंगे
भाई क्या करें अब ऐसा है कि खुशी आई है तो बनाना पड़ेगा।
से निकल के आइडियाज बनाएंगे। तेरी शक्ल ही वैसी है।
ये सारी भार्गव साहब की पेंटिंग है।
ये पेंटिंग भार्गव साहब ने खुद बनाई है।
ये सारी की सारी यहाँ से
फ्रेंच आर्टिस्ट बताइए भार्गव साहब कितना टाइम
क्या चल रहा है।
कभी की मैंने सारी शुरू किया 69 क्लास का स्टूडेंट है और 55
विजय गोयल की पेंटिंग
पुलिस गवर्नमेंट एक्सपोर्टर 55 ईयर्स हमारी
अरे वाह
सबसे